Kablai baro ki viewers kantame ki kun samla ki badang up community nagunta ki khobor like kam yole se ki ta ki khobor like kam ki ba pi up community kinde ki ba pi donbok but ki ba pi la ban apply tina mar kata kani ki khobor like kam nagunta jung pi baro ki kun samla tisam hai kani ki video balada pi dang thamaya ka video bat channel ki junga wanum klet banjara apply nga da ka ba pi share like ban subscribe kana ba pin yo biang sai chi sin ya ki wei pada ki updates hawe de bat ki khubor like kam telim tang ne pe no ikani khubor like kam kata lembaga Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR ka khon online application nagbanta ka technical group 2 post kapadon dan ki sauphlaitali ki total number of posts mo sauphlai ki total number of posts kata ki candidates ki day ban pass ya ka SSLC lane 10 standard mo lane ka class 10 ban phidiru bandon lane yo san marks ka percentage but kumjuru phidi ban pendep ya ka ITI certificate kata ka biging kwa lomba ka CSIR pela da phila pendep ya ka class 10 but phila don ya ka ITI certificate phila bai ban apply lam ta kini ki post mo the recruitment organization ka the CSIR New Delhi nangta ka post name ka the technician nangta total number of posts ka the supply ki total number of posts nagamda ki unreserved khat khandai OBC NCL khatway SC Hindu ST line EWS Southly nangta ka base matric level rupees 19,900 to 63,200 that is for the salary and upper age limit should be 28 years as on 17th of September 2026. Okay, 18 to 28 years. Online registration date start from 18th of August 2026 and the last date will be 17th of September 2026 up to 5 p.m. And the application fees rupees 500 for general OBCWS exempted for women, scheduled caste ST, PWBD candidates and also for the ex-servicemen exempted. Initial place for posting CSIR units in Delhi, NCR, Pune or Mumbai. So place of posting should be in these three places. Okay. So remember vacancies break out by trade computer operating and program assistant 21 posts, desktop publishing operator 7 posts, computer hardware and network maintenance 5 posts, medical lab technicians 2 posts, draftsman architecture 2 posts, instrument mechanic 2 posts, draftsman mechanical 1 post, draftsman civil 1 post, laboratory assistant in chemical plant 1 post, and for the interior designer 1 post. And for the educational qualification criteria, candidate must have passed SSLC or 10 standard or equivalent with science subject, securing a minimum of 55 percentage mark. Okay. In addition, candidate must possess an ITI certificate or national or state trade certificate in the relevant trade. Alternatively, candidate with SSLC or 10 standard in science with 55 marks plus 2 years or full-time apprentice training experience or 3 years of relevant works experience in a government ministry, department, PSU or autonomous body are eligible. And the selection process and scheme of examination will be like this. Application will be screened by a screening committee. Shortlisted candidate will be called for qualified trade test. So candidate qualifying for trade test will be appear for the competitive written exam consisting of 150 objective type question over 2 hours and 30 minutes. Paper 1, 1 hour, 50 question for mental ability test, 100 marks, no negative marking here. Paper 2, 30 minutes, Paper 2, 30 minutes, 25 question on general awareness, 75 marks, and 25 question on English language, 75 marks, with one negative mark for each wrong answer. So you should be careful regarding the answer of question paper 2. So next with the paper 3, 1 hour, 50 question on the constant subject, 150 mark with one negative mark for each wrong answer. Okay. So paper 2 and paper 3 will only be evaluated for candidates scoring minimum threshold mark in paper 1. Finally, merit lists are generated strictly based on mark obtained in paper 2 and paper 3. That is for the selection procedure or process. So how to apply? Here are the step-by-step for applying the following vacancies. So kindly click the link below on my comment pin section so that you can apply for the following post in mechanical in CSIR department in New Delhi. Di namar kata lada pi ko akan apply nak pada gini gi post klik ya kan ni ka link kebangan sebu opok comment pin chunga lada pi lapa se ka ITI manong wi pi apply ni kini ketika opportunity wala da pi try makana shabar ketika opportunity yang bat ya pi lada ngila pendet qualification persang ba kermen ba lembai kejing persang kejing pi yo lesai pila bantre shavar state ro namar kejing si polong kapabia takatahi ak bayade bagani ko bolai kam wanum klet pat sin ban share like ban subscribe shakti panlong ki badan gi jong pi khamba mi ki rukin tip ya kani ko bolai kam blai shibun shim ya kani kalat kabu nakamda ka kam ban nakamta kejing pa ka jong pi